Let's make a simple centerpiece for the 4th of July. I'm starting with a table runner and a wooden tray. Next, I'm going to add in a star wreath that came from Target and then a glass vase. Next, you'll add in your flowers. I'm using some fake white hydrangeas that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They were in a bunch, but I've cut them apart using some wire cutters, and I'm just putting them in individually. This is going to allow me to control their placement, and I've also trimmed the stems so that they're just tall enough that they stick out above my glass vase. I'm using fake flowers, but you could absolutely use real hydrangea blossoms for this arrangement. Next, I'm going to add in some pom-poms that I picked up, and I've separated each one of them so I can put them on all sides of my flowers, one in the front, one in the back, and one on the other side. Next, I'm going to add in some of these starburst, and there's a tutorial video link below on how I made these. I'm just going to put these kind of in the center off to one side. Next, I'm going to add in this firecracker that is a DIY, and there's a video link to this below. And last, I'm going to top off my arrangement with a simple American flag. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other videos on seasonal home decor and decorating, and make sure to give this a like and follow for more seasonal decor and DIYs.